Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a unique and professional PowerPoint slide design using SmartArt, merge shapes, and the Morph Transition. You don't need any advanced design skills. Just follow the steps, and you'll be able to create an attractive presentation in just a few minutes. So, without wasting any time, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint and get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Add a blank slide. Next, go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Type the number of points or headings you want to include on your slide, placing each one on a separate line. Now select the text, right-click, and choose Convert to SmartArt. Browse through the available SmartArt layouts and select the one that best suits your design. Once the SmartArt is inserted, select the entire SmartArt, right-click, go to Group, and click Ungroup. PowerPoint may ask you to ungroup it twice, so repeat the process until every shape can be selected individually. After that, select all the shapes, go to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and choose Fragment. This will split the SmartArt into separate pieces. Delete the unwanted center shape if your design doesn't require it. Then, select the remaining shapes one by one. Again, go to Shape Format arrow. Merge Shapes arrow union to combine the required parts. Repeat the same process for all the remaining shapes. Now, apply your favorite colors to each shape to make the design more attractive. Next, go to Insert Arrow Shapes and choose a rectangle. Draw it to cover the entire slide and then send it to back. This will act as your background. Now add your title, subtitles, and any other content you want. If you want to make the slide even more attractive, you can also add relevant icons. For a cleaner animation, move all the shapes, text, and titles slightly outside the slide. Finally, resize and arrange all the elements properly. Go to the Transitions tab and select Morph. That's it. Your professional animated PowerPoint slide is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more PowerPoint design tutorials.